Students, how are you? Hope all of you are safe and healthy at your homes. Students, I am your maths teacher, Mrs. Monica Sharma from California Public School. Today, I heartily welcome you in my maths class. And students, today I will teach you division concept. In division, I will tell you how to divide by a one digit number, how to do the division. Yes, so students, take your notebooks and pencils with you, and before starting my teaching I want to tell you that if you know the tables from 2 to 20, then it will be very easy for you to do the division sums. So daily do the practice of these tables, learn them by heart, and do the written practice also of these tables. So I will tell you how to do the division. Yes, you can this understand with the help of the example. For example, 83,217, this we have to divide by 7. Yes, how to write in the division form? Yes, like this we will write 83,217 and here we will write 7. Yes, on the side firstly you can write the table of 7. 7 zeros the 0, 7 ones the 7, 7 twos the 14, 7 threes the 21, 7 fours the 28, 7 fives the 35, 7 six the 42, 7 sevens the 49, 7 eights the 56, 7 nines the 63. Means on you will write the table from 0 to 9. Yes, 7's multiplied by 0 and up to 7 multiplied by 9. Yes, then how to do the division? See here carefully. 7 is the divisor. And this is the dividend, 83,217. Here divisor is only one digit, so here you will see only one digit. Other digits you will not see. Here is only 8. In dividend there is only 8 and the divisor is 7. So from the table of 7 you will find out the digit, you will find out the number which will be written under 8. Means that digit must be less than 8. Here we will take one, here divisor is only one digit, so here we will take only one digit, only 8. Yes, and what you can write under 8 so that it can be subtracted from 8. Yes, we will see the table of 7. 0 can be written under the 8 and 7 can be written under the 8, but 14 cannot be written, because if we write here 14 then it will be difficult for us to do the subtraction. So what you will write? 0 we will not write because one more option is with us, that is 7. We will write here 7. 7 ones the 7. We will write here 7. Then we will do subtraction. 8 minus 7 we will get 1. Yes. Now what will be our next step? 7 ones the 7 we have written, 8 minus 7 1. Then we will take down this next digit. 3 is there, we will write 3 with 1. So it has become now 13. Now again we will see the table of 7, that what we can write under 13 so that it can be subtracted. Yes, 14 we cannot write, so again we will write 7. You can see here under 13 we cannot write 14, so we will write here only 7. Then again 7 ones the 7. Now 13 minus 7 will be there, so we will get 6. Now see what will be our next step. Firstly we have done 7 ones the 7, 8 minus 7 1 is there, then we have taken 3 downside, it has become 13. Again 7 ones the 7, 13 minus 7 we got 6. Now we will take down next digit, that is 2. When we will write 2 with 6, it has become 62. Now again we will see the table of 7, that what can be written under 62. Means from here to here we can write under 62, because you can see 7 can be also written in 62, under 62. 14 also can be subtracted from that, this can also be subtracted, this can also be subtracted from 62, this can also be subtracted, this also, and this we will write, because 63 cannot be written and one number before that we will write, and that we will write here 56. 7 eights the 56. Now 62 minus 56. Yes, 2 minus 6 is not possible, so we will take 1 from here, and here it will be 12, and here left 5. Yes, 12 minus 6, 6, and 5 minus 5, 0. So we got 0, 6. 0 we will ignore, means only 6 is with us. Now what will be the next step? See here again, 7 ones the 7, 8 minus 7, 1, 3 will come downside, it will become 13. Yes, now again 7 ones the 7, 13 minus 7, 6. Now next digit will come downside. Yes, 62. Now 7 8s the 56. When we will subtract 62 minus 56, we will get 6, and then next digit will be there, it will be 1. Now it has become 61. Yes, now under 61 again we will write 56. When you will see the table of 7, you will get that 56 can be written under the 61. Again 7 8s the 56. 61 minus 56, when we will do subtraction, we will get 5. Then the last digit will come on the downside, it will become 57. Now 57 we can write here 56, 7 8s the 56. When you will do subtraction, what you will get? You will get 1. Now 1 is there and no any other digit left to bring it downside, so and 1 cannot be divided by 7, so we will leave up to here. Yes, and this will be the remainder. This will be the remainder. This is quotient and this is remainder. 83,217 when divided by 7, we got quotient 11,888 and the remainder is 1. Yes friends, now see, in division sums you can check your sum. You can check that you have done the sum right or wrong. You can verify the answer. Yes, how you can do the verification? See here, 83,217 divided by 7 is there. We got quotient as 11,888 and the remainder is 1. Now we want to check our sum, that is it right or wrong. So you can do it. Yes, dividend 83,217, this is dividend and the divisor is 7. Quotient we got 11,888 and the remainder is 1. Now how to check? There is one rule. There is one rule. What is that rule? That dividend is always equals to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. When we multiply divisor and quotient and in the product of divisor and quotient remainder is added, so we will get dividend. If we will get a dividend, then our sum will be right. If we will not get the dividend as it is there, if we are not getting 83,217, means there is a problem in the sum, there is some little mistake you have done. You can check your sum again and you can make it right. Yes, now see, dividend is equal to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. Now divisor is 7 multiplied by quotient. Quotient we got 11,888 and plus remainder we got 1. So firstly, according to maths rule, we will do the multiplication. We will do multiplication of 11,888 by 7. When we will do the multiplication, we got 83,216 and we will write here 83,216 and this plus 1 will be added here. So we will get, after adding 1, we will get 83,217. 83,217 we got as dividend, and in our question what was the dividend? 83,217. Means we are getting the same number as it was in the dividend. Yes, so our division is correct. It shows that our division is correct. Yes, you can also understand it with the help of one more example. See it carefully. The question given to us is that divide 90,092 by 9. Here you can see this is the dividend and 9 is the divisor. First of all, we will write the table of 9 on the side of our calculations of the notebook. Yes, where we will do the sum. This we will write inside because this is the dividend and 9 is the divisor. Yes, firstly one digit is here, so we will take one digit from here, means only 9. Firstly we will divide only 9. Yes, and you can see the table of 9, that 9 ones the 9. So we will write 9 ones the 9. 9 minus 9, 0 will be there. We will ignore this 0. We will take next 0 downside. Now in the table of 9, where is 0? 9 zeros the 0. So we will write 9 zeros the 0. 0 minus 0, again 0 we got. Then we will bring downside the next 0. Then again 0 is with us. So we will write 9 zeros the 0. 0 minus 0, 0 is there. Now next digit will come downside, that is 9. Again we will write 9 ones the 9. Yes, then 9 minus 9, 0. Then next digit is 2. Yes, so on which place it will go? Yes, 9 zeros the 0, because we cannot write 9 ones the 9. Then if we will write here 9, then 2 minus 9 is not possible, so we will write the smaller digit, that will be less than 0, less than 2, so that is 0 only. 9 zeros the 0. When we will do subtraction of these both, we will get 2. So 10,010 is the quotient and 2 is the remainder. What is the quotient? 10,010 and the remainder is 2. Now you want to check your sum, that how you can do it. Yes, as already I told you, dividend is equal to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. Now divisor is 9, quotient we got 10,010 plus remainder, that is 2. Now firstly we will do the multiplication here. Yes, 10,010 will be multiplied by 9. When we will do the multiplication, we will get 90,090. 90,090 and plus remainder it is 2. When we will add, we will get 90,092. As you can see in our question, what is the dividend that is given to us? That is 90,092. After doing this calculation, we got the dividend. As it was already given in the statement, both are matching, so means our division is correct. So our answer is correct. Yes, now see one more topic that is very interesting and easy. How to find out dividend, as already we have done in the verification. If the question is given to you that divisor is 3, yes, and quotient is 12,345, yes, and the remainder is 2. Suppose this question is given, divisor is 3, quotient is 12,345 and the remainder is 2, and you have to find out the dividend. You have to find out the dividend. Same rule we will follow, same formula we will use, that is divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. Divisor is 3, quotient is 12,345 and the remainder is 2. Firstly we will do the multiplication. When you will do the multiplication, you will get 37,035. 37,035 and this 2 will be added here, then we will get 37,037. So this is the dividend. This that we will get, it will be the dividend. Yes, this is the dividend. Yes, now see how to do division by 2-digit number. How to do division by a 2-digit number. When the divisor is a 2-digit number, then how to do? Yes, 1296 by 12. Yes, 12 is the divisor, 1296 is the dividend. Yes, now firstly we will write the table of 12 on the side of our notebook. Yes, now see here divisor is having 2 digits, so from the dividend we will take the 2 digits. Firstly we will divide the 12 only. Yes, divisor is having 2 digits, so we will take 2 digits from the dividend. Yes, so 12, so here you can write 12 ones the 12. 12 ones the 12. When you will subtract 12 from 12, you will get 0. Next digit is 9. Yes, and you can see here what can be written under 9 so that it can be subtracted from here. I think there is only 0 that can be written under the 9, because 12 will be greater than 9. 9 minus 12 will not be possible, so we will write 0. So what we will write? 12 zeros the 0. 9 minus 0, 9 is there. The next digit will come downside, so it will become 96. Now see the table of 12, that where is the 96? Here you can see 96 is there. So 0, 9 0 the 0, 12 0 the 0, 12 1 the 12, 12 2 is the 24, 12 3 is the 36, 12 4 is the 48, 12 5 is the 60, 12 6 is the 72, 12 7 is the 84 and 12 8 is the 96. So here you will write 12 8 is the 96. 96 minus 96, it will be 0. So what you got? You got quotient 108 and you got yes, that is divisor and dividend. Quotient is 108 and the remainder is 0. Yes, this sum you can also verify, you can also check with the help of that formula, that was dividend is equal to divisor multiply quotient plus remainder. Here you can also do the verification. Now see one more example, 34,856 divided by 15. Yes, here you will write the table of 15 on the side of the notebook firstly. Yes, after that 34,856, and you can see here are the two digits, so we will take firstly two digit from here, that is 34. Yes, now see the table of 15. What can be written under 34? It is 30. Yes, 15 2's the 30. When you will do the subtraction, 4 minus 0, 4 will be there, here will be 0, that we will ignore, and next digit we will bring it downside, so it will become 48. And from the table you will see that under the 48 what you can write? We can write 45. So 15 3 is the 45. 8 minus 5, 3 is there, 4 minus 4, 0 will be there, that we will ignore, so here is only 3, and next digit will be brought downside, it will be become 35. Yes, now under 35 what can be written? 15 2's the 30. 15 2's the 30. When you will subtract 35 and minus 30, then what you will get? You will get 5. Then next digit will be brought downside, it will be 6. It has become now 56. Now under 56 what can be written? You can see here under 56 45 can be written. So 15 3 is the 45, and when you will do subtraction you will get 11 as the remainder. Then what is the quotient? 2323, and the remainder is 11. Yes students, hope you have done understood this concept. These sums only you can come to know that how to solve these sums by the practice only. Do the practice of these sums and have a beautiful day ahead.